Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
Hello and welcome to AI Mailer, the AI-powered email marketing platform that lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited lists and subscribers. AI Mailer replaces expensive autoresponders, per-subscriber pricing, costly copywriters, and complicated campaign builders with one intelligent email engine. There are no monthly fees. Pay once and use it forever. Now let's log in and see how it works. First, I'll create a list. I'll enter the list name, set it to active, add a short audience purpose, and enter the sender name, sender email, and reply to email. That's it. Our list is ready. This is the list dashboard where we can view subscriber activity, campaign performance, and analytics. Under Messages, we can create, schedule, send, and manage drafts, broadcasts, sent emails, and split tests. The Email Template Manager includes a drag-and-drop builder for responsive emails, plus a template library and theme marketplace. Next is Automation. Here we can build follow-up journeys using triggers, emails, delays, conditions, tags, branches, and webhooks. Under Subscribers, we can manage unlimited lists and subscribers with no per-subscriber charges. Contacts can be added manually or imported in bulk using a CSV file. We can also search, filter, tag, and organize them. Pages and Forms lets us create landing pages, AI sign-up forms, and regular forms that add leads to the correct list. Under List Options, we can update settings, sender details, tags, and custom fields. Tags organize subscribers by interest or activity, while custom fields store extra information. Report shows contacts, campaigns, delivery rates, opens, clicks, complaints, unsubscribes, and activity over time. Tracking shows subscriber actions, while Deliverability helps monitor bounces, authentication, and sending health. Integrations lets us connect AI Mailer with CRMs, apps, and external tools to sync contacts and trigger workflows. The AI Marketing Assistant can create campaigns, automations, segments, forms, and reports using simple instructions. It prepares the steps and asks for approval before sensitive actions. Finally, under Sending Servers, we can connect SMTP, Amazon SES, Mailgun, or SendGrid. Domains lets us authenticate our sending domain, while Sender Identities controls the sender name, email, and reply to address. And that is AI Mailer, one complete platform to create, automate, send, and grow with no monthly fees or per-subscriber charges.